In the depths of Gillindo, where the metals melt, at the blast furnace, that's where I felt people pumping iron, making coin galore. But Coker G lurks, always asking for more. In the world 302, the bots are the bane. Coker G's a script, it runs through the game. Blast furnace flow, all day we grind, cashing in those ores, leaving pain behind. Coker G's our enemy, we'll take him down. In this dark rap game, we wear the crown. While I'm smithing bars, he's just taking a break. Popping up on my screen, man, what a mistake. In World 303, they think he's legit, but we see right through, this ain't his first skit. Rotting away like a stale old joke, a bot in disguise, or a player gone broke. Glass furnace flow, all day we grind, cashing in those ores, leaving pain behind. Coker G's our enemy, we'll take him down. In this dark rap game, we wear the crown. They'll remember this tale of the iron and bots. In the furnace of darkness, we're waging our shots.